Hello everyone, Matthew Simmons here from SimmonsEssentials, bringing you another original design. This is the black and white wreath knot. So black and white tie is what you'll need, and then we'll put it at the belt line. Let's get started. Left side as usual. I'm going to come over here, put a fold in it. I'm going to come over here like so. I'm going to come up and over. Alright, then I'm going to do a wreath around here. And put it down like so, like this. Then I'm going to bring it down like so you can really see it. Then I'm going to come up and over here like so. Shoo, shoo, shoo. And then I'm going to come up like this. The main thing is you want this to be down like that, because you want the black and white to show. I'm going to come through like this. Put this underneath here. So now what you're going to have to do, you're going to have to adjust this, because I want it to, it kind of collapses on itself, so I want to adjust it. To be a little bit more airy. And I just happen to use a skinny tie. You don't have to use a skinny tie. That's just the only black and white one that I really could find. So we'll pull this top one that we did, we'll pull that one up, and then we'll kind of make it look like that. And there you have the black and white wreath knot. Again, on your own style, my friends, you're fearfully wonderfully made. We'll see you in the next video. Peace and God bless.